this will be our smallest upgrade for the van. So we're gonna unbox the box now.
Ta-da!
This is the small one.
So
Ding.
tiny.
Small wood stove.
Yeah.
Yeah. We ordered it from Canada. It's cubic mini wood stove. We're gonna rip off that cupboard over there. Cut hole, first hole to the wall for the stove, and only electrical wires that goes are up here, so I don't have to reroute any wires. These are just for the TV antenna, so we're gonna get rid of them. And here's just a 230 volt and 12 volt wires, which are here, up here. And our chimney starts approximately from here, so the heat doesn't go there. So we can leave the wires inside. Minikubistove.com sells this wall mount also, which would be really easy to install the whole stove, but that doesn't apply for the Finnish fire regulations. There has to be 12.5 centimeters of free space behind the stove, so that's why we're gonna go this way.
And my part of this project was the choosing the right black splash for the fireplace. So
Yeah, we found this pretty narrow, slim. This is real rock, so we can use it with the stove.
And we like the grey color, it matches our van.
And we are not going to use any cement or something. We're gonna use glue that can hold over 1000 Celsius, so it's gonna it's gonna be there forever. Next part will be that we are gonna weld with my friend the base plate, which basically comes there's 2 legs that comes approximately here, and then we put up here 1 bar or 2 bars, and then bolted the base plate for the stove to the frame of the van. And also we leave the small gap in here. We're gonna store our fire locks there. Now we have all the background of the cabin removed. This rail was actually one of the that I was scared of, that it would come on the way of the flue pipe, but I measured it goes just beside it. Our flue pipe is 12.3 centimeters wide, so it comes here, and then we cut a little bit larger hole here and put it on the roof, so that's the plan. Next phase that we're gonna do is that I take measurements how big the metal fireproofing plate has to be, so it comes straight here, and I cut it in my workplace, and after that we bolt it and glue it to this frame, and after that it's there we can lay the tiles and cut the side of the cabin away. So basically we are cutting like here to here, and this is all gone. Then it's just
big hole on the roof.
Big hole in the roof for the full pipe, and we have to move our solar panel to the other side of the roof. Basically what we are doing at the moment is that we are moving the solar panel, which was here, and now it goes there. And that's because the flue pipes comes out somewhere here, so it cannot be there. And dogs love there. Time out. Yeah. New home. A little bit of drilling and gluing things together. bit number 3. We had to make some modifications. Fit it here.
Let's hope.
Let's hope now. Yeah, this is the fireproofing wall that we're gonna build here. So it's just second hand and 2 metal plates, which has 3 centimeter gap between, and it's coming there.
Nicely.
Yeah.
Yay.
Now we're gonna put some insulation to those wires, and then we put the metal plate on. Here's our fireproofing plate, which is bolted from here to this frame, and then we put glue on both sides here. So it will be glued and bolted down. Then we lay the tiles over it, and that's it. Last piece. Last row is going there in this place. Glue that holds anything.
We hope.
We hope. Yeah. It's 5,000 kilograms per square meter, so that's more. You can basically glue our van with 1 square meter to somewhere. So I think this is totally okay.
Yes.
1 piece is missing. Yeah, I forgot to film the tiling, but basically it's just gluing the tiles in and that's it. We rented out the cutter for these stones, and it's been working like a charm, so took us like maybe 15 minutes to get it done. We have actually paint that can hold the heat, so we have to heat it up so it hardens. So we have this metal here and another one in the oven. Half an hour, 200 degrees. First hole on the roof. It's raining and we just drill a hole to our van. Lucky us.
Lucky us.
We got the hole in the roof ready. It was hard work because we didn't have a right size drill bit. We had to grind it to the right size. But now it's done and we can go forward on the install. I don't know.
Fits like a glove.
Quite perfect.
That's our chimney.
Ta-da.
Looks
So-
like garden light.
Yes, that's true. But yeah, it's double walled, so
Safety first.
safety first. The safety diameter from here is 5 centimeters, so you can install it quite tight if you want. We don't have that much room, so this is the best that we found. So this is rock wool or glass wool that is protecting all the material around the chimney. It's pretty dark, but we are just installing the rubber boot so the rain doesn't come inside. Yeah, here is the flue pipe. Is that enough glue or not? I hope it's enough. But tomorrow we're gonna add some glue and try to put it a little bit cleaner. Install is done.
Yeah.
Nice. Little bit of smoke smell you can smell, but not much.
And I love the sound.
Yeah,
It's
that's
the
true.
best.
All we have to now do is add the mesh behind there to make it look good, and put door here. So that's our mission. So now we have also the flue pipe and hat installed. It's quite high. I don't know if we cut the flue pipe down from somewhere there, but at least now it gets the nice breeze from here. It should be 30 centimeters from the highest point of the van and go up there 30 centimeters to get the draft. But I don't know, maybe we first try with this and maybe shorten it down someday. Long job done. We used lots of recycled materials to install this. For example, all the metal plates, all the metal parts were reclaimed.
So the fan looks like this, and it doesn't require any electrical power. It gets heat from the platform here. And
But does it fit? Din 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 din.
but
Yay! It fits.
so if we want to heat here or the bedroom side, we can adjust it. The instruction says it should be always placed here and not in front of the stove, but obviously because we have a tiniest stove ever, we are going to fit it somewhere here. Yeah, the cubic mini wood stove. This is the cup version, the smallest one. It comes with the railing. We took it off because we want to put stuff there, because we actually want to use the stove. And this eco fan was successful. So next thing, our water pot. Does it fit?
Barely.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if it works. We made little chips, so let's see how it works. They are really little. We tested the stove yesterday evening and burned it whole evening, and everything was great and it worked like a charm. I think the power outage that it gives, it's approximately 1.8 kilowatts or so, because we burned it like 3 hours and it didn't warm the other side of the van, just the side where our fan spread the warm air. So other side of the van was pretty cold compared to our LPG heater or electrical heater, which is 2 kilowatts and 4 kilowatts, this ain't that powerful. So now I'm just adding some glue to this side, because yesterday I just put that much it holds together so it doesn't leak to the inside of the van. But yeah, these are pretty easy to install with these deck tight rubber boots. You just cut them to the right size and put them on. We used some soap so it slides better, so it doesn't break when you're installing it. And now I'm just using self-tapping screws to screw the head on, and that's it. Glue pipe head or cap is now secured. Now just add some glue around the deck tight rubber boot, so just make it sure that it doesn't leak. Adding some extra. So now the flue pipe cap is on. I put a lot of glue so it doesn't leak. It's not pretty, but it is gonna work good.